dyan.
SPL and assistant ESPL and SPL on stage now.
I state your name. Please raise your right hand. Parent of, state the name of your child. Solemnly swear that I will closely monitor my child in his involvement in Kids Scouting. I pledge to support this institution in promoting the program of Scouting towards the wholesome development of my boy. Now may I request the boys to please, together with the parents, to please form your line here on stage.
Bayut! Wala pa bayut! Yut! Wala ka, wala ka. Wala ka. Naon.
Okay, parents, you may now don the neckerchief.
Hello, Mike. Sorry. Yes, good afternoon. Good morning. Okay, kindly make your proper distance, just like what we practiced yesterday.
After sa first row, pag done, hawa na na yung mask. Yan. Go na.
May I now request the parents of the first row to please don their neckerchief.
First row sa araw makita.
Kanisa sa first nga row, kanisa down. To love God, and my country. To be an obedient and well-mannered boy. At home and anywhere else. Now the parents, please recite your pledge of commitment after me. To this investiture ceremony of our Boy Scouts. Today marks a very important milestone in your journey. A day when you officially represent the full point of the Scouts. Promise and law that belongs to love God and the country. To officially begin our ceremony, I would like to invite our beloved Master Teacher 1 of West. Morning, everybody! Today we will witness the acceptance of our boys to Kids Scouting. I hope you will be entertained by our short ceremony. Executive, Madam Queen Mawiti Karawan.
Eh, kung ano ba, hindi ako.
Ato, yung kabutang yung mama dito. Naato eh, siya pinagpahimutan siya mo. Sige, ano na salot? Anak.
Tangurungan ang pugay kamay. Tara.
Para pinakapgo.
Tapos dyan na. Oh, pak. Pugay kamay. Uy. Sige na, itaod na. Diba? Salud. Ato bang dring mami, mo salud. Kay ako mo master. Master ina nga Yes, master. Moto ka na ko, dili. Ina, yes, master.
Promise
I promise. Dili, to ba kay master?
God and love my country.
The Republic of the Philippines, and to obey the Girl Scout law.
Yes, master.
Out.
Ina rin. Yes, master. Manumbag man di ay. Anong anak man na? Anak mo gud oh.
Bali pa jud ng iya ang bakos.
Ana day tulo day kakamot, ana.
O ga dungo